Here we go, guys. Let's catch some bait, huh? Ah, too many. Damn. Too many baits. Christmas time. Christmas tree, baby. Guacha, guacha. Más lejos. Más lejos todavía. Está muy... Acá también, mira. As far as you can. You gotta throw it as far as you can. Gotta hook up, man. We'll hook up. Just gotta have that faith, that faith, man. That you don't have that faith, you won't hook up. Yeah. I got the bait, guys. Healthy, guys. They're gonna fall right now on the floor. You're welcome, dude. Para llevarlo para los callos. Ahí. Para los callos, los callos.
Ah, chinga. Aquí tengo un puño de callos, ¿sabes? Aquí no me queda. Hey, ¿se quitan los callos de eso?
Ah, pues yo te lo recojo yo, compadre, para pescar, hombre. No, el fishing reel, ¿no? Nomás. Yeah, buddy, get how much you want, man. Get as many as you want, bud. What's your name? You come here often? What are you planning to catch? All right, man. Good luck. What's your name, bud?
Mike.
What are you planning to catch today?
Snook, man.
Where do you come from? Where's your? All right, buddy. Well, good luck, man.
Thanks.
Guys, I don't know what I got here, man, but it's fighting good. It's fighting real good. Take it, bro. My fishing rod broke too. It's stuck on the line, on the bottom. There we go. I wonder what is this? It's fighting good. Very light tackle, 10 pound test line, guys. Gotta be very careful. Lose this fish, man, then I'll be very disappointed. What is it, a snook? It's 10-pound test. Yep, I know. If he wraps me around the rocks, I'm done. And it's 10-pound test, guys. So you can see I'm having a hell of a hard time bringing him in. But I have my friend Venmar over here ready to get him in. Right, Venmar? You gonna bring him in? So let's see, guys. I mean, it's been a while since I've caught a good fish. I've been off the, it's a very big snook on 10 pounds. 10-pound test, guys. Beautiful, beautiful catch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Look at the rod. It's a 2500. And it broke my rod.
Yeah.
He broke my rod. But it's a beautiful fish. Let's see if it's legal. It looks a little over. So, I think it's over. I think it's over, man. Marvin, thanks, bud, for bringing him in. Pull it out. Oh my God, guys. My slot for the year, finally. There it is right there.
Oh, shit.
It's perfect. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. It's like hair. Oh gosh, thank God, man. Oh gosh. We did it, guys. Oh man, last year, skunked out last year. So, man. Guys, last year, it was crazy. I didn't get my slot, and just now, with the help of Marvin, I got my slot. Take a look at it again, but it's fucking beautiful and fat.
Yep.
Finally got my keeper.
How do you feel, bro?
Feel great, man. Happy. I'm the my day is complete today. My whole year.
All right.
Guys, hope you enjoyed that little fight. No digas groserías, güey, estoy grabando. All right, guys, I'm here trying to get the second snook, man. A nice, decent 51-inch snook. So I'm freelining now. See what happens. I see a lot of bait out there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's see a lot of those look like droplets, like if it was raining, but it's not raining. It's all the bait, all the greenbacks, the pilchards. So the fishing is overall, it's not that great, but the snook are there. I know they are. There are probably a couple of jacks. So we're gonna keep trying to catch another good snook or a nice jack. You know, keep you guys entertained as well as myself. Thanks for checking out my video, man. Like I said, I'm gonna keep filming. I'm gonna keep getting better at it, better at making good content for you guys, so you guys can you know, enjoy, have fun like I do. I mean, I enjoy just being out here. This sun is a little brutal though, but other than that, guys, thanks for watching, man. You know, I need the support, so subscribe if you get a chance. Hit that bell button so every time I put up a video, you guys can see it. Hit like and, you know, share the video. And I'm gonna be making a bunch of aerial views with my drone from the places I go, so you guys can check out the scenery, you know, as well as fishing, of course. But guys, let's see if we can catch another one. Stick with me for a little longer. Let's see what happens, huh? I'll stay here about another hour and a half and then call it quits. All right, let's get this done. Yeah, so this bird got my line. Now I gotta untangle her. It's easy, easy, easy. I'm gonna untangle you. Take it easy. 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 I'm gonna untangle you. Take it easy. Take it easy. You ready to go? You okay? I'm sorry. Go. Fly away. Man, you guys see that? They are relentless. They keep grabbing my bait. Oh my gosh. Guys, I finally got my slot. Look at that. Fat, it's a fat one. Got the slot, guys. Well, guys, it's time to go. It wasn't that bad today. I got my slot snook, a couple other fish. I'll show you the catch of the day. Gotta pick up my stuff and just get out of here, man. I'm tired. Been here since 6 o'clock. It's already going 3 o'clock. And pretty good stuff. There's another one here. Oh yeah, there's another one here. So overall, it wasn't that bad today. Guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Show some support. I'm a veteran, U.S. Marines, combat war veteran, and this is my therapy, man. That's how I fight PTSD, buddy. So I appreciate you guys looking at the video. I mean, you know, I'm trying to make better content every time. I'm a little tired, and hopefully one day I catch a tarpon and a permit. That's my goal. Guys, have a good one. Oh, don't forget to follow my boy Marvin Fishing. He's always calling me, always showing some love, showing some support, and I really appreciate that. Tomatito, you guys take it easy, man. Gotta go. I'm hungry. My little boy's hungry. Gotta take him that snook. Make some ceviche. Oh, if I have time, guys, I'll make a catch and cook one of these days. I'm too tired today to make it today, but I will. I promise you guys. It'll be an easy recipe for a quick ceviche and a breaded fish with a Venezuelan harina pan. Really good stuff. Later, guys.